loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley Jaden. For those who are new, welcome. This is my second week of having my hair relaxed. It's been so long since I actually did a sit down video. I think the last sit down video I did was my thank you video to my love squad and family and friends for, you know, watching my videos and supporting my YouTube channel. So that was like the last sit down video that I actually did for you guys. Before I get started in this video, you guys, I want to give a shout out to my Aunt Diane. Hey Aunt Diane, I love you so much. I'm wearing that Amon lipstick you gave me and it is popping. And she got me this for Christmas and it's like awesome. It's so me. Like, it's like my color, it like goes great with my skin complexion and everything. I love it. Thank you so much, Aunt Diane. You are awesome. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to give you guys a quick 2-week update of how I'm living and enjoying my relaxed hair. I love it so much. I had my first and second appointment, because I had my first follow-up appointment, but it was my first official second appointment get my hair done, and it looks amazing. I like the fact that she curled my hair tighter and it'll last longer, but this is me, you guys. This is the Ashley Jaden that I've been searching for like almost 4 years. Like, seriously, I love my hair, you guys. I seriously love my hair. My vlog that I did when I showed you guys that I relaxed my hair, that was kind of like my official telling you guys that I relaxed my hair. This video is more so giving you an update of how I am, you know, living with relaxed hair now, you know, versus natural hair, and basically how my second, you know, my first follow-up appointment with, and technically my second appointment, I guess. Sorry if that sounds confusing, but it's technically my second appointment, but I'm calling it a follow-up, you know, my first follow-up appointment after get my hair relaxed. So I hope you guys get it. Okay, so let's start off. How am I enjoying and how am I feeling my relaxed hair? Okay, so you know, to start off, I'm gonna, you know, basically give a quick why I did it. I really didn't want to create a video basically saying why I did it, because I felt like, not to be rude by saying this, but I felt like I didn't owe anyone an explanation to as why I did it. I know my love squads, you know, some of you came to my channel when I was natural, so you probably want to know, okay, what was going on, Ashley? Why did you, you know, relax your hair? You were natural, you seemed like you were happy, but unfortunately, guys, I've been battling, you know, not being happy with my hair for almost I would say once I hit the second year of my natural hair journey, I kind of was like, okay, this is kind of getting a little, it wasn't rough, but I was getting bored with my natural hair. I did it, you know, I grew my hair out natural, but then, you know, towards the third year, 2016, that's when I was like, okay, something's going on. I'm so unhappy with my hair. I'm keep switching it up what I want to do. One minute I want, you know, extensions. The next minute I want my hair to be heat trained. And the next minute I just want to lock it up. I went through, I think, 2 sets of starter locks in 2016 in summertime. Took it out. I did the whole trying to heat train my hair in the fall season in 2016 to actually cutting my hair in a tapered style in 2016 to early 17 actually locking my hair for the 3rd time. As you guys can see, I was all over the place because I was just trying to satisfy myself. I was like, okay, I need something to make me happy with my hair. Yes, hair is just hair, but I wasn't happy with my hair. But I was like, you know, I sat back and I thought to a time, when was I genuinely in love with my hair? Obviously, our hair is an extension of us, and you know, it doesn't make you who you are, but it makes you feel good. It's kind of like trying on that nice outfit. It makes you feel good. It's a part of you. It's like, that's who you are. The first and last time I felt like my hair was me and I felt comfortable was when I got that short pixie cut in 2012. It was my favorite hairstyle, hands down. That was my favorite hairstyle. Unfortunately, I was a nursing college student. I was in a vigorous nursing program. I worked at McDonald's and I was like, I can't afford this. This is not really important to me right now. So I'm going to focus on school. So that's what I did, and unfortunately my hair suffered from that because I was relaxing my own hair and I was not knowledgeable about how to healthily relax your hair and how to take care of relaxed hair. So unfortunately that was my downfall with my first time ever relaxing my hair in 2012. So now that I know how to take care of, you know, hair healthy in a healthy way, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do it. I felt bad because I'm like, you know, I came on here, you know, promoting natural hair, but at the end of the day I was mostly promoting healthy hair. It was a mixture of both natural and healthy hair. My end goal for myself is to have healthy hair. It doesn't matter if I'm relaxed, heat trained, whatever, natural. I want healthy hair. So that was the biggest thing about, you know, talking about hair in the first place on my YouTube channel, and I want to continue that. I want to continue to talk about healthy hair and my healthy hair care regimen. So yeah, that is basically the whole gist of why I relaxed my hair. I was super unhappy with my hair after taking out my locks in August of 2017. My hair was super dry, it seemed super damaged, and I tried to fix it, and I was like, you know what, I can't. It's bad enough that I'm already unhappy with my natural hair, but me trying to mend it to something that is not going to make me happy, I was like, you know what, I have to do what's going to make me happy. And like I said, I thought back to a time where I was happy with my hair, and I was like, got it. So yes, you guys, I went back to the same salon that I got my hair done the first time in 2012. The salon is called Arlene's Creations Hair Salon. Thank you so much, Arlene. You are an amazing hairstylist. She is amazing. When I say amazing, I mean amazing. I feel like the reason why I trust her and I like going to her, because she is trustful. She's open to giving you healthy hair care tips, and the fact that she works with both naturals and relaxed women, that is like a plus, because she knows, you know, healthy hair care, you know, management for both types of women. You know, if you want to be natural, if you want to be relaxed, she will help you. Okay, so for my first follow-up, technically my second hair appointment, it went amazing. I went in this morning and I got my hair washed, deep conditioned, and I got it styled, and she curled it a little tighter, as I said. Let me try to show you guys. So you guys see that? So this is the back of my hair. But yes, I'm loving my hair. I love my little sideburns. She cut them like, she left the sideburns longer and she curled them up, so I love that. Having a hairstylist that you can trust and who's open to giving you just knowledge on top of knowledge, that is amazing. That's why I love going. That's why I had to find her again. I was like, where is she at? I have to find her. I have to go back to the same salon to get my hair done and to get my hair maintenance from here on out. She's just a pool of just knowledge for healthy hair care, like management, and I was like, this is amazing. I never met a stylist who's just like throwing the knowledge at you. She's just throwing it like, this is what you do. If you want retention, if you want health, if you want long healthy hair, this is what you do. And I will definitely share that with you, my love squad. It doesn't matter if you're relaxed or natural. Every hair care tip that she gave me today, I was like, wait, I did that when I was natural. I did that when I was natural too. Wait, is this the same kind of hair care management? Like, I was like, wait, this is crazy. Basically, what you're telling me to do, I was already doing with my, you know, natural hair. Protective styling, trimming, moisturizing, protecting your hair at night. All of the above. It's the same thing. When I was listening to her this morning, I was like, everything you're telling me is everything that, you know, naturals eat, sleep, and breathe. We naturals love protective style, and naturals love moisturization. Naturals love, you know, protecting their ends and trimming their ends and everything. And I was like, this is amazing that it's basically the same regimen. It's the same regimen. The only difference is I'm getting my hair relaxed, and now I have to learn how to maintenance that, you know, relaxed hair. So overall, how am I doing with the whole, you know, having my hair relaxed? I am doing great, you guys. I love it. I have no regrets at all, none at all. I am so eager to continue this journey, and I will fill you guys in. I'm going to make a separate video on my 2018 healthy hair care goals. I'm finally happy with my hair. This is me. Like, this is the true Ashley Jaden. And don't get me wrong, I loved, you know, the experience that I gained with my natural hair. I gained knowledge more than anything, how to take care of hair in a healthy way. That's what I gained, and that's the best thing I gained throughout, you know, having natural hair, was the knowledge. This, you guys, this is me. This is the Ashley Jaden, and I'm so happy and I'm excited, and I can't wait for this new journey, and I'm gonna bring you all along with me. So buckle up, you guys, and enjoy the ride. I'm going to show you everything that I encounter in this journey. For those who are subscribed to my channel or are going to subscribe to my channel, if you are relaxed, you know, this is something that is going to be a healthy hair care channel, and that's what I want to promote. I want to promote healthy hair, you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogities and my vlogs, my little weekly vlogs. I'm going to try to do them at least 2 vlogs a week. No promises at all. But yes, this is the end of this video. video, don't forget to thumbs it up for me. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join my love squad. And also, as always, that little notification bell, I don't know which side is on. I want to say it's on the left of the screen. Go ahead, go hit that for me. That way you guys can be notified immediately whenever I upload a video, loves. So until next time, bye, loves.
I'm in control.